welcome to the mid-market update from Advisory Desk. Both the Sensex and the Nifty are trading marginally down ahead of the expiry. What we are seeing, Nifty is witnessing weakness and it is currently trading 32 points down at 8302 levels, while Sensex is also trading 104 points down at 27,460 levels. Even the mid-cap and the small-cap index are on losing streak. Right now, mid-cap index is down 0.5% and sharper than the index fall of 0.2%, while the small-cap index is down 0.2% at this point in time. What we are seeing, the BSE oil and gas index is performing relatively better in today's trade in terms of sectorial gainers. Except for ONGC, all the components of BSE oil and gas index are trading in green. ONGC is trading down 1.5% at this point in time, just ahead of its earnings estimate. Another index which is witnessing pressure, too much pressure, is the pharma index. It is down almost 1% at this point in time. We are seeing heavy selling in counters like Lupin, Cipla, Dr. Reddy's, Sun Pharma, Wockhardt and Natco. The BSE banking index is also down 0.3% at this point in time, largely led by selling in large cap PSU packed like SBI, Bank of India, Bank of Baroda and Punjab National Bank. However, we are seeing some buying interest in private sector banks like IndusInd Bank and Axis Bank, which are trading marginally up at this point in time. At this point in time, BSE FMCG, BSE Auto, BSE Metal and BSE IT Index are trading almost flat. And BSE Consumer, BSE Consumer Durable Index, BSE Realty Index and BSE Tech Index are trading marginally down, less than in the range of 0.2 to 0.3% down at this point in time. In terms of stock specific action, we are seeing buying in Arvind Limited after the company announced demerger plans of its realty division. The stock is up 5% at this point in time. ONGC, Hindalco, Aurobindo and Wockhardt are trading weak ahead of their earnings estimates. So they are witnessing a little bit of pressure, and ONGC, Hindalco and Aurobindo are trading down around 1% at this point in time. However, Wockhardt is down more than 4% at this point in time. AstraZeneca is up 11% at this point in time. In terms of prominent gainers in Sensex at this point in time, Tata Motors, Vedanta Limited, ITC, Hero Motors and Infosys are prominent gainers in Sensex, while top losers in Sensex at this point in time are Hindalco, Tata Power, M&M, HDFC and Cipla. Currency at this point in time is trading at 63.87, appreciation of 16.5% versus dollar. Friends, that's all from Advisory Desk. Have a wonderful day ahead.